Hello, kabayan! Kamusta po kayo? Welcome back! At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe ay please click mo na po yung subscribe button and bell notification button para update ka sa mga next videos na i-upload ko. Thank you so much! Mag-update lang po ako about sa ating GCash. So, nandito ako sa aking GCash dashboard and meron ngang bagong feature si GCash. So, punta lang po tayo dito sa View All and then hanapin natin yung others at ayun, makikita natin yung bago which is yung US account at eto nga, pwede na daw tayong mag-create or mag-open ng ating US virtual account. So, sa mga virtual assistant na tumatanggap ng kanilang sweldo from US dollar at eto nga daw, pwede daw tayong to get paid like a local, receive payments with your own virtual US account. And then, ang sabi dito, fair exchange rate, receive US dollar and change into peso whenever you want without expensive exchange rate. And then receive straight to your GCash, easy to set up of your virtual US account. So, based sa information ni GCash, so ma-receive natin siya as a dollar and then anytime pwede natin siyang i-convert into peso whenever na kailangan natin or whenever ma-check natin na mas mataas siguro yung exchange rate. Ayan, nasa sa atin yung decision once meron na tayong US virtual account. At ito naman yung mga requirements na kung sino yung qualified to open GCash US virtual account. So, dapat yung GCash mo fully verified at dapat 18 years old and above ka at resident ka ng Pilipinas. And then, kailangan meron kang completed GCash profile information with good account standing. And dapat meron kang at least one valid Philippine ID o government issued ID. And kailangan ano lang daw, isa lang na US virtual account ang pwede nating i-link sa ating GCash account. And kapag kausaping dollar and peso, so ito yung first thing to consider kung magkano yung conversion rate once na ipapadaan nyo sa GCash US virtual account yung inyong payment or yung inyong sweldo from dollar to peso. Kung meron po kayong ibang ways kung paano makareceive ng dollar, like for example PayPal, Wise, or Remitly, ganyan. So, depend pa rin sa sender nyo or kayo mismo yung mag-inform sa inyong sender, for example sa inyong kamag-anak or sa inyong employer kung saan nyo ipapa-send or saan nyo i-receive yung inyong dollar. And if ever decided ka na gusto mong mag-open ng US virtual account dito sa GCash, so click mo lang po yung continue. And then review nyo po yung information and of course yung terms and conditions. So, basahin nyo po if ever na gusto nyong malaman kung ano yung mga terms and condition about US virtual account dito sa GCash. And kapag agree po kayo, yan, i-click nyo lang po yung proceed. And then, meron po kayong mga kailangang fill upan dyan na personal information. So, once ma-fill upan nyo na yung mga personal information nyo, so, click mo lang yung next. And then, kailangan mo ding mag-upload ng iyong ayun, yung government issued ID. And then, kailangan mo ding mag-selfie dyan once mag-open ka ng account sa iyong US virtual account. And then, kapag okay na, click mo lang yung submit once finish mo na lahat ng mga required na kailangang fill upan. And then, meron po yung processing period kung ma-approve or kasi meron akong nabasa na 4 times na daw silang nag-try and then naka-hold yon. And then, meron naman akong nabasa na 20 minutes lang ay na-approve na kaagad yung kanilang pag-open ng US virtual account. So, siguro naman kapag okay yung mga requirements or yung mga in-upload nyo or yung inyong GCash status ay mabilis din kayong ma-approve sa pag-open dito ng inyong US virtual account. And then, to check your account application status, you will receive an update in your GCash app, inbox, and notification. And then, once ma-approve nga yung inyong US account, so pwede na nating i-view yung account details natin. So, ganyan po yung ma-receive na notification once approve na yung inyong US virtual account, and then nakalagay dyan, good news, your US virtual bank account is now ready to use. You can now receive money directly in your GCash. And ayun nga, click mo lang yung view details. And sabi dito, your US account is ready. You can now receive USD in 2 ways. Ayan, free transfer usually arrives in 1 to 3 business days kapag ACH transfer. And then, wire transfer naman is merong charge na $15 fee, pero same day processing, and then wire fee automatically deducted. And ayun nga, mas mabilis siya. It's up to sa sender kung paano siya mag-transfer, pero siguro I suggest wire transfer para same day ay ma-receive mo din kaagad sa iyong account.